Hello kite flyers. Many of you will be aware that I'm a firm believer in using bags for storing kite line. They are quick and easy to use, they're lightweight and can be compression packed. They're a good way of avoiding the problem of adding twists to the line. However, the normal method of storing line in a bag requires the use of both hands. One to hold the bag open and the other to feed the line in. So, I would like to introduce you to an IKEA product called Hallbar. This is a 3 litre bin with a lid, and just inside we find a rim that is just the right size for holding a tug.com line bag. So now, with the bag held open by the bin, we can feed the line in twice as fast using 2 hands as we could using only 1. And this is important because it gets you off the field and to the dinner table faster. Thank you very much.